Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel where we make the code more fun and a little bit ridiculous. If we are being honest, the holy grail of user interfaces. But instead of making it all serious, we are gonna spice things up with some humor and a dash of creativity. So buckle up as we turn a simple search bar into an epic navigation experience, or at least try to make it epic. Let's make sure this search menu isn't just useful, but a bit ridiculous too. Ready? And now let's dive in. So guys, let's talk about in the HTML water block and online element. This is our first video in the new year, the first January, and the new year has been started. So let's start by let's come on our topic and let's talk about what a block and inline element. Every HTML element has a default display value depending on what type of element it is. Now let me tell you that two most common display values are block and inline. Block level elements. Block level elements always starts on a new line, and the browsers automatically add some space or margin before and after the element. A block level element always takes up the full width available. It stretches out to the left and right as far as it can. Now let me tell you the two commonly used of block elements are P and div. The P element defines a paragraph in HTML document, and div element defines the division of or a section in HTML document. The P element is a block level element, the div element is a block level element. Now this is one P and div tag I am using here, and these both are block level element. Now let me create a one window, and I am making one window by the name of index.html. And I am making this window on my documents, and let me create a one file and paste it. Now save it, and then let me go on my documents and let me run it. Now here we can run it. So the P and div elements are both block elements, and they will always start on a new line and take up the full width available. It stretches out the left and right as far as can. Okay, here you can see it. Now here are the block level elements in HTML: address, article, assi, block code, canvas, dd, div, dl, dt, field set, fig caption, figure, footer, form, h1, h6, header, hr, ally, main, nav, no script, ol, p, pre, section, table, tfoot, and then ul and video. These all are the block level elements in HTML. Now inline elements. An inline element does not start on a new line. Inline elements only takes up as much width as necessary. This is a span element inside a paragraph. Okay, you can see it. Now let me show you this. Here's one. Now let me show you this example. Save and run. This is one inline span element inside a paragraph. You must know that inline is the span element is an inline element that will not start on a new line and only takes up as much width as necessary. Okay, like here you can see. Now let me give you some example of the inline elements like A, ABBR, acronym, B, video, big, BR, button, city, code, DFN, EM, I, IMG, input, KBD, label, map, object, output, queue, SAMP, script, select, small, span, strong, sub, text area, time, tt, var. These all are the inline element that cannot contain a block level element. The div element. The div element is often used as a container for other HTML element. The div element has no required attribute, but styles, class, and ID are common. When used together with CSS, the div element can be used to style blocks of content. Like in this example, it is showing you. Okay, in this example, first of all, we write div. In div, I write like background color black and color white and padding 20 pixels. Then h2, London, and that all things. So you can see it is coming like this. You learn more about div element in the next chapter, the span element. The span element is an inline container used to mark up a part of a text or a part of a document. The span element has no required attribute, but style, class, and ID are common. When you use together with CSS, the span element can be used to style parts of the text. Like in this example. In this example, what we can do, here I write span element, the mother has, then I write like span, style color blue and font weight blue, like this. Now it give me like this. Here you can see it. This is one use of the span element. Okay, this is the one magic of the span element. Chapter summary. A block level element always start a new line and takes up the full width available. Number 2, an inline element does not start on a new line and it only takes up as much width as necessary. Number 3, the width element is a block level element and is often used as a container for other HTML elements. Number 4, the span element is an inline container used to mark up a part of a text or a part of a document. So in today's video, I talk about in the HTML what a block and inline element. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoyed, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and all the notification bell also, so do not miss this type of videos of the on the HTML. And come to Google Chrome and search in my channel by the name of Code with PK and open my channel. Okay. And when you open in my channel, so we are very near to 9,100 subscribers. So please complete it. And here recently I uploaded one videos on the chatbot and all that thing. So please like this all the videos and share it. Okay. And then when you do this, so subscribe my channel and then come on to the playlist, and when you come on to the playlist, click on to the HTML full stack web development playlist, and successfully we completed 79 videos on it. And now for including this video, we completed 80 videos of the full stack web development, and you successfully completed 438 views on my playlist. So please go on in 500. Okay, but bookmark my playlist and access it. And now I give the outro of this video in the big screen, so let's come on the big screen, and now let's give the outro of this very beautiful video about the about HTML block and inline elements. So let's come on the big screen and let's give the outro of this beautiful and very pretty video. So let's give it. That's wrap for today videos. I hope you had fun and learned a thing or two about creating a search menu that's both functional and a little bit funny. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any hilarious or unique ideas for a search bar. Until next time, keep coding and keep it quirky.